So anyway, here we go. Patchwork quilt, the fields and roads fortifies my soul. Cities, towns, good-hearted folks, from the heartland to the coast. Oh, America, we are free to run. The freedom's for the lucky ones. Are we one nation under God? Our stars are faded, worn and flawed. Divided states, factory towns, Main Street boarded up, shutting down. Heated homes, suburban lives, we build our walls and we take our sides. Ooh, America, we need to love Americans more than our guns. Are we one nation under God? Our stars are faded, worn and flawed. We've got a darkness deep inside, but in the heart there's a light. What will it take to turn the tide? Don't disagree, too blind to see the spark of life of our humanity. We are all afraid, we have lost our way. Amazing grace, amazing grace. Are we one nation under God? Our stars are faded, worn and flawed. We've got a darkness deep inside, but in the heart there's a light. What will it take to turn the tide? What will it take to turn the tide?